Tonight, a Volusia County woman says she is in desperate need of new property insurance. She is like so many other people across Florida. Her policy is increasing dramatically at the end of the month.
But here's the catch. Even though the Florida legislature just passed a new bill to address property insurance reform, she says insurance agents are telling her they aren't up to speed on everything that's in the new law. Investigator Lewis Bolden uncovered this problem many are facing tonight.
Every year I get anxiety right around this time because I don't know what to expect anymore.
Sheila Guzman says the anxiety starts when it's time for her property insurance to renew. According to her statements, in 2020, it was $815 a year. In 2021, it jumped to $1,500. And if she chooses to renew this year, it will be nearly $4,000.
And how do you feel about that?
I couldn't believe it. I mean, I had to reread the letter. I thought that maybe they had made a mistake.
But it was no mistake, and the letter that came along with the statement confirmed it. Many of our customers have received or will receive substantial premium increases with their latest renewal offer.
We've seen increases throughout the years, but never this much.
Guzman is like so many other Floridians faced with rising property insurance rates and looking for relief after lawmakers passed a new law to address the problem during a special legislative session. But when she started looking for alternative insurance, she says she was blown away.
Do you feel that the insurance companies are up to speed on the legislation that was just passed?
Not really, because I've heard them say we have no word yet, and this is what we have, and what they have is not what was discussed in the session.
Guzman says her roof was replaced in April of '09, which makes it 13 years old. She says agents have told her insurers won't write a policy because of the age of her roof. But Senate Bill 2D, which took effect 2 weeks ago, prohibits insurers from not writing policies for homeowners with roofs less than 15 years old solely because of the age of the roof.
Is there typically some time of confusion where people have to figure out what the law says?
Yes.
Paul Handerhan is the president of FAIR, the Federal Association for Insurance Reform.
These people are busy running their businesses, the small businesses, every single day. They probably haven't read the bills.
Handerhan says while the Florida Association of Insurance Agents tracks legislation, there are over 100,000 insurance agents across the state, and all of the information may not have trickled down to each agent.
It's very common that once legislation is passed, that most people who don't follow that legislation really don't know what's passed. They don't know how it impacts their local businesses. And I'm sympathetic to that. But when the law becomes the law, you have to follow the law.
I'm Lewis Bolden, getting results, News 6.